Hey guys, so here lately I've been making a lot of these videos where I walk through my neighborhood at night listening for the different frog, crickets, and katydids I can hear. And just here the other day I decided to do one during the day with birds and cicadas. And then and then today I just kind of thought to myself, I need to make more daytime videos because I haven't done many of those like I have the nighttime ones. The nighttime ones have literally taken over my channel, so I need to make some more daytime ones so there's more of those too. I'm hearing a southeastern field cricket. I usually only hear those at night. And I'm hearing the southern ground crickets. Those are normal to hear during the day. I'm hearing robins again. I seem to have those all over my neighborhood. That's pretty much all I'm hearing right now. I'm hearing a Colombian trig, and there's the robin. Hopefully I get to hear the common meadow katydid again. The funny thing is, it seems like it only calls during the day because I never hear it at night. I only hear it when I'm walking down there during the day. There's a robin. It's almost as if all the other birds have left or something, and the robins have taken over, because every now and then I'll hear a song sparrow and a gray catbird, and every so often a goldfinch, but other than that I don't really hear much. I don't know why. The robins is just mostly what I have right now. Like right now, I think I just heard a goldfinch, maybe. It was very faint. I don't know if the camera got it. I'm hearing another Colombian trig down that way. It's also a little windy right now. I wonder if we can hear what that wind chime sounds like over there. What the? Okay. I can just barely hear it, but from what I can hear, it actually doesn't sound too awfully bad. I mean, it's definitely nowhere near as good as the big companies like Woodstock, Music of the Spheres, and Corinthian Bells. Of course, it doesn't match those, but it's better than most cheap chimes. And yes, I actually do agree with what Vinyl Nerd's saying. I do think it's that old Arius chime that's over there. It looks like it's seen better days too. Alright. There's the Colombian trig. Ah! That freaking it's that thing that runs off deer, and it was loud. I'm sure you heard it. Very high pitched. It's very shrill. Honestly, I like seeing the deer, so I don't. Honestly, I kind of feel bad for deer when they have to listen to that. I'm still hearing the American robins everywhere. It seems like there were more birds back in the spring. Oh, cicada. Let's see if it starts calling all the way. It sounds like it's going to be a swamp cicada. Let's see if I'm... No, it's a... Or a lyric. Let's see. Yep, a lyric. Ah, great. Here comes a car. Hang on a minute. There we go. Of course, the one time I hear a cicada close, a car has to come. And why did it blow its horn? Wait, did it just go over here? It's almost like I heard something buzz in that tree. There's the robins again. Southern ground crickets over there. I think I'm hearing a couple handsome trigs ever so slightly. It seems like my area's had more cicadas lately. They were very late this year. Usually I hear them much earlier. But yeah, usually I'm hearing them by usually I'm at least hearing full choruses by like mid-July. But this year they were very late for some reason. Southern ground crickets. Just some more of them. They have music playing in their car very loud. I'm sure you can hear that. Just giving themselves hearing damage. I'm not hearing a southern ground cricket over here. Ah, great. I'm not gonna stay down here long since that delivery truck's down here. There was a couple robins. Flag's blowing pretty good. It seems like I'm not hearing any birds down this way. Yeah, I gotta get away from that. Oh, thank God, it's going up that way. There's a Colombian trig in that tree. It wasn't calling when I come up, though. I'm hearing another handsome trig faintly up that way. I'm hearing a blue jay now. I haven't heard one of those in a while. Oh, there's a crow on top of that house. Southern ground crickets. That's funny. Even the robins are quiet now. Now I'm not hearing much of anything. There was a robin faintly. I'm sure you heard that. And I'm hearing a southern ground cricket. Wait a minute. Oh, it's just a southeastern field cricket. Okay. I thought it sounded like a jumping bush cricket for a second, but there's the Colombian trig. It sounded like a jumping bush cricket for a second, but I guess it was just warming up. It did one of those things where like it calls for a second and then stops and then starts again and before it starts going continuously, and I thought it might have been a jumping bush cricket, but it wasn't. Oh, looks like some um I couldn't tell what it was because they were flying so fast. It was one of those brown like birds, either a finch or a sparrow or something like that. Southern ground cricket. It sounded like it might have been finches, but I don't know. Oh, the lyric cicada's back, but there's someone over there, so I can't point my phone that way. And there's somebody else walking. Great. All right, I'm back. Southern ground crickets behind me. Yeah, I just don't like. I just do not feel comfortable enough talking whenever there's people right next to me or just nearby. I just do not like it because people are very judgmental. They might they might think that you're on drugs or something. You never know with people. That's just the thing. You never actually know what they'll think. So it's just best to be cautious. I'm hearing some handsome trigs. I'm approaching where I heard the common meadow katydid. Southern ground cricket. Oh, yep, and I'm hearing it already. It seems like I only hear them during the day for some reason, even though research says they call at night too. Maybe it calls somewhere else at night. I'm gonna go over here and see if I can get close. Oh, it sounds closer this time. I think it'd be cool if I could actually find it. I'm sure you can hear it. All right. I think I'm even hearing a fall field cricket faintly up this way. It's very faint. I don't know if you can hear it. All right. Let's see if there's anything along here. Wait, it stopped. I heard something right here. And of course it's not going to call again. Why wouldn't it? I'm hearing handsome trigs. I heard one right there. It just stopped. It sounded more like a sage trig. Alright, I'm not going to go much further because that commotion's down there. And there comes a car behind me. Or a truck. I think this is as far as I'm gonna go. All I'm hearing is Thomas's trigs. All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna. 2 cars at once, jeez. All right, let me get across the road quick. There's another car coming. All right, I'm here. I'm safe. My God, that's a loud motor, and he's not even standing on the gas. Why do people produce cars like this? Seriously. Like, I know it's most of the time it's the people's fault for. I'm hearing a Lenny cicada. I know most of the time it's the people's fault for standing on the gas and making their cars loud. But whenever the companies produce the loud motors, it's also kind of on them. Because, you produce the car, so why do you want to make a car like that if you know it's going to be annoying to other people? I'm going to listen to this katydid one more time. The Common Meadow katydid. Did it just stop? There it goes. I wish I could see it. Alright, there it goes. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna go. It seems like it's stopped for now. And it looks like someone's mowing their grass. Oh, I just cannot catch a break. I honestly hope one day if I ever am able to move out, I want to find a house that's in the middle of nowhere. Just no neighbors. Mess in the road, I see it. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna get away from that commotion. Oh. Alright, good. I'm finally getting away from him. I'm hearing another robin now, faintly. I just saw a hummingbird go flying through the air. That's cool. Usually I don't pick those out unless I see them fly away from the feeder first. Oh my God, I can hear that mower all the way from here. Another robin in that tree. That's another thing. I wish they would find a way to make lawnmowers quieter. A robin up there. And I'm hearing a crow somewhere. I'm hearing a handsome trig over there somewhere. Those are another one that I only hear during the daytime. I think I just heard, hang on. I thought I might have just heard a Carolina chickadee. There's a song sparrow. Of course I'm gonna hear everything now that I'm back home. I'm hearing a gray capper too. All right, well, I'm tired, so I'm gonna end the video. A lyric cicada here now too? My God. It sounds like it's right over there somewhere. All right, it stopped. So I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.